Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here in this video I will be unboxing and reviewing the SAVILAND acrylic liquid monomer 6-color acrylic liquid monomer set. So that's what I will be unboxing here in this video. And if you're new here, my name is Jess and I do all types of nail videos. So like I said, that is what I will be doing here in this video. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to turn on the bell so that way you get notified every time I upload. I post all types of nail videos. Also, make sure to check out the description for any discount codes that are available, as well as any of my social media will be linked down below, so make sure to go check that out. So I am going to start off by unboxing it because it does have a little plastic film. So let's unbox it and review it. Okay, so I'm really excited to unbox it. So it does say it is acrylic liquid monomer, and it just gives a little quick description of being a selection of 6 colors combined with to form SAVILAND's exclusive tinted liquid monomer set. Mix as you wish with various acrylic powder to create any color you want. So technically this is a 6-color acrylic liquid monomer set, so I'm really excited. So technically what this is, as you could see, it does come with like a little guide if you guys don't know what you're doing. So I'm really excited. So it's just a little Q&A questions, and then you know, just a little steps of what to do, how to do it. So this is so it does show you how to use it, why you would need it, also the steps of how to create the nail. Obviously it also shows you how to remove it. So this is what it looks like. So these are what all the little bottles look like, as you could see. So these are all the colors that are included. So it does come with 6 colors. So it does come with AL number 1, AL number 2, AL number 3, AL number 4, AL number 5, as well as AL number 6. So it does come with the red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. So all your primary colors for the most part, like the rainbow. So just to show you guys, this is what the bottle looks like. And it does say 1 fluid ounce. So that is a lot for just one color. So it does say here are just some preventions: to use only outdoors or in a well-ventilated area. Keep away from heat or spark. Do not mix with acrylic powder if not used, otherwise liquid monomer will be solidification. Hopefully I'm saying that right. So it is MMA free as well, so that's one major thing you want to use when working with nails. You want to make sure you are using, so here like it says EMA. So yeah, it is MMA free. And also I do want to mention, it does say that it's non-yellowing, so we will also be trying that out. So this is what all 6 colors look like. So I will be taking them out, and I am going to prep and get my acrylic that I need, and I am going to be swatching them for you guys. Okay, so as you can see here, I have everything set up. So I do have a little dapping dish. The clear powder that I will be using is from their brand as well, and as you can see, it isn't transparent. So this is what I will be using. So I'm really excited. So the first color that I actually want to go in with is yellow, and the reason being is I want to go from lightest to darkest, just so it doesn't like mix with the other colors, if that makes sense. I don't want it to mix in case it does. So I am going to start off with the color yellow. So this is AL number 3. So I'm going to open it. I'm really nervous, y'all. So they do come sealed, so I'm gonna just open this real quick. So I'm not exactly sure if you guys could see, but it is already yellow. So I'm gonna just pour a little bit in. Okay, so like, so I only did a little bit, as you could see. So that's how the yellow looks like. So I'm guessing it might be kind of like bright yellow. I'm not exactly sure. But this one is, again, number 3. Which I'm really, really excited and nervous. And also here I do have a brand new brush, which is from their brand as well, from another kit collection that I've been having. So this is what it looks like. So it's just a black handle. I'm not exactly sure what size this is, but I would say maybe like a 8-10 maybe, or maybe even like a 12. I'm not exactly sure, but maybe like a 10 or 12. So I'm just gonna dip it in, so that way my brush could soak it in, which I'm really, really nervous. So you could kind of see like a yellow tint. I'm not exactly sure if you guys could see that, but I'm gonna dip it in, and then I'm gonna just grab a bead. So that's what it looks like. So it's kind of like a pastel, bright yellow. I'm just gonna swatch it on here. So that's what it looks like. I feel like I needed to get like a way bigger bead. So let's see. So as you can see, that's what that yellow looks like. Super pretty. It is a really pretty yellow, to be honest. And then obviously with the more, I'm guessing with the more monomer you're going with, the like more color it adds to it, as you can see. So I am gonna just clean my brush. I'm not sure if you're supposed to clean your brush with it or what, but I mean, my brush is pretty fine. Like I said, this is a new brush anyway, so it should be fine. So this is what this one looks like. So next I will be doing the color orange, which is AL number 2. So next, like I said, I will be doing AL02, so it is the orange one. So I'm just gonna dip my brush in, and as you can see, it does look way more pigmented. I'm not sure if you guys could exactly see, but I'm gonna just grab a bead. That's what that one looks like, as you can see. So to me, this is more of like a burnt orange, I would say. Not necessarily like a orange, like a orange, if I'm making sense, like the fruit. But that's what this one looks like. I feel like it looks like not necessarily orange. I feel like it looks more like a burnt orange with like red or like a tone of brown in a way. Let me see if I go with less. I wonder if that would make a difference. Still kind of looks the same compared to this one up here. But that is really, really pretty. And you know what? Now that I think about it, I think I'm gonna swatch them all together so that way you could all see them together. So I'm gonna swatch the yellow again right here next to the orange. Okay, so as you can see, I did swatch the orange, and then right here is the yellow. So next I will be swatching the green, which is this one right here. And one thing that I will say, it did throw me off like the packaging of this one, because the rest of the bottles look kind of like clear, I guess, but this one looks yellow. So I'm pretty sure this is a really pigmented green. So this is AL04. So I am going to be opening it, and then I will be swatching it. So like I mentioned here, as you can see, it is way darker green. So I'm going to dip my brush in. It is really, really, really pigmented. So I'm going to dip my brush in and grab a bead. So that's what this one looks like. It's a really pretty dark green, like an emerald green almost. So I am gonna swatch it. That one kind of dried up on me, y'all, but I'll swatch it again. So yeah, this is a really pretty green. This is really, really nice, as you could see. And as you could see with just your brush, it is very, very pigmented, as you could see. I'm going with another one just to show you guys. So yeah, that is a really, really nice green. Look at that. It is really, really pigmented. And I will say that this one, this orange, I felt like it just turned a red for me. But it is really, really pigmented. So now I really want to see what the red looks like. So red will be next. So I will be swatching the red. Okay, so the next one that I will be using is AL01. So this is, I'm guessing, like a red. So I did already pour it, as you can see, and it looks really pigmented as well. So we are going to be swatching this one next. It also does kind of have like a pink tone to it. Like this is, I feel like it's going to be more like a cranberry cherry kind of color. So as you can see, so I did go in with a little wetter bead. But there it goes. So let's swatch it. So yeah, I definitely went in with a little dry bead. So let's go in with another one. But yeah, to me this is like a cranberry kind of color. It's really, really nice, a really pretty red, I would say. So that's what this one looks like. So this is AL01. So that's what this one looks like again. And then I'm gonna do a little baby swatch here. So yeah, that's what this one looks like. As you can see, it is very, very, very pigmented, as you can see here. It's almost also like a maroon color, so it is very different from this orange. So this is more like of a reddish orange, and this is more like of a cherry cranberry red, which is really nice. So next I will be doing the blue, which is AL05. So I'm going to be doing this one next. So this next one here is AL05. So we will be swatching it. So it is a really pretty blue, like a really pretty like royal blue. So that's what this looks like. Super, super pretty. He's swatching it here, and yeah, look at that. That's a really, really nice blue. Honestly, I don't know if, I'm pretty sure you could mix these, because I am kind of tempted to mixing like maybe like this blue and yellow to make a green and see if that would work, which I'm really, really tempted to, but we will see here at the end. I might as well just do it, because why not? So yeah, this is a really, really nice blue, and I feel like a little does go a long way with it, as you could see, because it is very, very pigmented. So super, super nice. I mean, look at that. It's a really pretty blue, and they look super, super dope. I feel like I don't think I've ever seen like a company do this, or at least not that I know of that did this. So I think it is very, very unique. So that is with AL05 it looks like, which is a really pretty royal blue. So next but not least, I will be doing AL06. Oh my god, yeah, so I accidentally forgot to press record, but as you can see, this is what it's looking like. So I am going to be giving it another swatch so that I can show you guys what it looks like. So as you can see, that's what the purple looks like. It is a really pretty like indigo purple, so it's really, really nice. So this is what all 6 colors look like, and again, all the bottles do contain 1 fluid ounce, as you could see, and it is MMA free, which is a really, really good thing, because you do not want to be messing with that other stuff. So now I kind of want to mix some colors and see if I can make my own. So obviously I'm pretty sure everybody knows that yellow and blue make green, so I am going to be mixing them and see what happens. Okay, so here I have the yellow and the blue. So honestly, I'm not sure how many like drops to put, but I'm gonna just do like a couple, I guess. I'm not exactly sure what I'm doing. So I'm not even sure if you could do this, but you'll see that. So I did like 3 drops of that. So I'm just gonna like wiggle it around. So I kind of made like a dark color. I don't know if you guys can see. So I'm gonna add a little bit more yellow. See if I can make it a little lighter. I mean, I think that should be fine. So we're just gonna swatch it. We're just, you know, being fun. So I'm gonna dip my brush in. You always want to make sure you get any bubbles out. So I feel like it's gonna come out maybe like a dark color, like a navy blue almost. I'm gonna grab a bead. So that's what it looks like. It's kind of like a teal color, honestly. I mean, that's what it looks like to me. And that's kind of what it's looking like on camera. But that looks really pretty. I feel like that's a really, really nice color. So let's do another one. But this looks really nice. So I do like that you can mix your own colors to make your own colors. If you are a beginner, I feel like this is perfect for a beginner because you can mix the colors, make your own. All you really need is the liquids and clear and a brush, honestly, and then obviously like your prep and all that. But this is really nice. I absolutely love this kit. I will definitely be using this. I feel like I definitely want to do like somebody's nails with this and see how it would be almost, if that makes sense. So this is the color that we created. So this is what all the colors look like. So just to show you guys real quick, so this is AL01, 02, 03, 04, 05, 06, and then here we do have that color we created. So it's like a really pretty teal color. I feel like it does look a little bit darker on camera, but this is what it looks like. And honestly, I did really like this little set. Like I said, it is perfect for beginners. I would definitely say that because you create any color, you can mix and match, you know, and all that. So it is really pretty and nice, as you could see. So again, this is what they look like. And this is the SAVILAND 6 color acrylic liquid monomer set, which I will be linking down below for you guys if you guys are interested in purchasing. Like I said, also it is MMA free, and they do come with 1 fluid ounce each, which is perfect. I'm not exactly sure if that would it will obviously last you for like a set, obviously depending on what colors you use and all that. So I would definitely say keep that in mind. But also one thing that I don't even think I talked about is their packaging. I really like if you guys have seen my past videos, I love white, black, and gold for some reason. So I love that the bottle's white and then with the gold logo and then the black letters. And I love that also they included the color whenever they name the numbers, because I feel like that is very helpful. I love when brands do that, so that way you can know what color you are using with the name on it. So I definitely love that. So again, this is what the colors look like, and that is going to be the end to this video. I will say that I did really love this collection yet again. I would definitely recommend to go get your hands on it as well. I definitely love the colors, the consistency, and how it worked. I would definitely say this is also perfect for beginners, and it is very easy to use as well. So again, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, as well as do not forget to check out my last video, which I will be linking down below. Also, do not forget to subscribe. We are on the road to 10K, so as soon as I hit 10K, I will be doing a huge giveaway. So make sure to stay tuned for that, and do not forget to turn the bell so that way you get notified every time I upload a new video and whenever I do upload any posts and little things here and there. Also, do not forget to check out the description for any discount codes that are available, as well as any my social media will be linked down below, so make sure to go check that out as well. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys in the next one.